Hey guys, so the one coin that I'm really excited about that just got launched on Newton is Elrond, the EGLD coin. It's a series of DeFi apps that is very fast, and I'm really excited about this because it's related to a lot of what's going on in NFT and NFT gaming in particular. So that's one coin you should be looking at, EGLD or Elrond, and if you want to buy it in Canada, one of the best places to do that is Newton. Now, I really like Newton because they're basically super easy to use and they have the widest variety of coins available on their platform. So that's their competitive advantage against something like ShakePay that really does well at what they do, but they just focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you want to have exposure to those altcoins, you definitely need an account at Newton. There'll be a link in the description. If you have any questions about that or need any help or any advice, reach out to me. I'm a friendly guy, more than happy to help. All right, cheers. See you in the next video.